Okay, everyone, today marks the day that my iMac G3 Flower Power came in the mail. I'm extremely excited and nervous, but let's just get right to it. Oh man, I'm nervous. I paid a good amount of money for this, but let's just hope it got here safe. So it only had to go one state, so okay. Well, that's not what I would like to see, but alright. Well, it's not packaged the best, but let's just hope it got there. It is very wrapped in bubble wrap, so it could be fine. Came out in one quick go. Okay, let me go ahead and get this thing unwrapped. Okay, fantastic news. It looks like it got here actually completely fine. Like, sometimes I guess the simplest packaging may work the best. Like, it felt really secure once I pulled it out of the bubble wrap, so. You can see it didn't crack at all during shipping by the looks of it. The only thing I really noticed was wrong was this Apple logo kind of got skewed during shipping. It's still in there though, so. Let's just get this thing hooked up and powered right up. Okay, this will be the first initial test of my iMac G3 Flower Power. I'm so happy to have finally got one of these, but we've got a chime, CRT noises, a concerning arc noise. Oh no, I really hope this screen isn't wonky. Well, it looks fine, other than the fact that you're getting a seizure, but hey, it looks like we are gonna have a winner chicken dinner. I will never say that again. I don't know, I'm just really excited. I don't even know how to react to seeing one of these in my house. This is beyond cool. Look at that. But yes, boot it up. The screen actually does look bright. It did make a somewhat clicky noise when I turned it on, but hopefully it doesn't do that anymore. I have a Graphite right there actually, which when it's running, occasionally the screen will kind of freak out and glitch out and whatever. Let me go ahead and lower the resolution so it's not flickering as much. Okay. So, this is my iMac G3 Flower Power. I am incredibly happy that it arrived safely. You can see 500 megahertz, 512 megs, and it's running I don't know what this version is. Can't remember. Panther? Anywho, I'm gonna call this a win, and I am just so glad it didn't crack in shipping. But yeah, that is my newest iMac, making it my, hold on, 9th iMac? Yes, 9th iMac, so very cool. Very glad to have finally got a flower power.